This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
Well, the name of the show is बधाई हो and that's simply because मैं बधाई देते आ रही हूँ हर सोमवार को right here on Go MMT Radio to everyone who's just joined the MMT family. And today on the show with me is Amit Chaurasia जो कि होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं और लोकेशन वैसे इनका है अहमदाबाद. Amit, really nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you so much, Annie.
यहाँ आए हुए आपने मुझे बताया कि 2.5 महीने ही हुए हैं, पर इससे पहले भी 2-3 अलग अलग डोमेन्स में आपने काम किया है, तो आपको वैसा देखा जाए तो वेरीड एक्सपीरियंस है. इज दैट अ गुड थिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? सो फार इतने साल जो आप रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में, सो टू स्पीक, जॉब के साथ आप रहे हो, आपको ओवरऑल ये एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा लगा है?
I have a very different opinion into this. However, corporates, really appreciate कि एक ही domain से कोई भी employee आए. But I think nowadays it is becoming a trend that, people are accepting, the recruiters are accepting people from multiple domains, and especially not from their same domain, because every industry has got their own level of SOP. You never know which SOP is very much, optimized for you, or, which can be very fruitful for you. So I think coming out from very different industry and coming to hospitality is something which will be beneficial for me as a learning person, and for the company as well, to change their mindset, change the way they work wherever it is lacking. So it can be a positive if we seek in a positive manner.
I think it's a good opinion and perspective to keep, because yes, things are changing, the scenarios are evolving. अब बताइए, ट्रैवल डोमेन में आप हॉस्पिटैलिटी में रह चुके हैं पहले, पर पर्टिकुलरली और पूरी तरह से ट्रैवल डोमेन में आना, ये कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
This is, a very roller coaster experience, because I come from a domain wherein, it was an office job, and now traveling to different cities, sometimes it becomes hectic, but, sometimes we really love doing it. So I am enjoying it. And after seeking that, people have been working in MMT for quite a long time. मतलब यहाँ महीने नहीं चलते, यहाँ पे दशक चलते हैं. So I'm trying to, digest that thing, which is very difficult for me. For anyone, decades से काम करना, it's quite an achievement for the company. So yes, I'm loving it.
दिल्ली, गुड़गांव और नोएडा वालों, पासपोर्ट निकालो, बैग्स पैक करो, क्योंकि अब फुकवक दूर नहीं. With Make My Trip Holidays, बस 5 घंटे में डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू फुकवक. सोचो जरा, sky high cable car ride, crazy wind wonders, wild safari park, Europe style sunset town, dreamy kiss bridge और धमाकेदार kiss of the sea show. फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, कपल्स या किड्स, सबके लिए एक ही ट्रिप हिट है. फुकवक विद मेक माई ट्रिप हॉलिडेज, पैराडाइज बस 5 घंटे दूर. You can book directly on Holidays Packages Funnel. Limited time period offer is live. Or write an email to fukwak.charter@makemytrip.com.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त? You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. My name is Annie, and on the show with me from the Hotel Supply Department, Ahmedabad location, is Amit Chaurasia. Amit, quickly before we get into the first game, and you have picked the GK quiz, which I'm very proud of that you did. Tell me a little more about the kind of job that you have here right now at MMT.
So basically, we are into hotel supply. This is what I have understood as of now. It's like the mainstream, or the main backbone of the company, wherein we are the people, we are the team which gives you that supply to work upon. Because we come from, we are into hospitality, and hospitality is equally proportional to specifically hotels. So we supply the hotels, we supply the entire inventory of the hotel, so that the country can travel freely and stress-free, and the country can, have their accommodations very much, crazy places. So we are into that supply domain. That's what we exactly do. We have that hustle of every day, touching of fighting with the hoteliers. X,
Right.
Y, Z. So we are onto the real. You call it, the people sitting in Gurgaon might not realize, how heat it's on the ground. So we are the people who face that heat, so that everybody enjoys their job and do it nicely.
Right. Now let's get straight to the GK quiz. Are you ready for it?
Yep.
Which ancient civilization was located in the Indus Valley?
It was a Harappa civilization, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. Well, let's move on to the next one. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan, right?
Yes. In which year did India gain independence?
1947.
That is correct. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
This was Nehruji? I'm not sure about this.
Well, I think your answer is, what do I say? Absolutely correct.
Perfect. Thank God. I was really not sure about this.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Venus, I think. No, not Venus. Mars.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. Which gas do plants take in for photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
That is correct. Do you have any idea what was the capital of the British Indian Empire before Delhi?
It was Calcutta.
That is correct. Who was the first person to land on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
That is correct.
Yes.
What is the name of India's latest lunar exploration mission?
No idea.
It's Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3. No problem.
Okay.
Who won the 2025 ICC Champions Trophy?
I'm not so much into cricket, but
Wild guess.
I think wild guess is India.
That is correct.
Good morning, Make My Trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On the show Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio, it's Amit Chaurasia. I'm in a chat with, he's from Ahmedabad and is working for the hotel supply department. My name is Annie. So Amit, tell me more about the immersion induction program that you attended here at MMT.
MMT was is my dream company to work with. From the time I did my MBA, it was for the people into finance, there was Deloitte. And from the people of marketing, everybody wanted to work into MMT. And I was really not sure why people are so much crazy to, work with MMT. After getting into corporate, I, explored and did things. So wherein I found that this is a company where the employees are being valued and, you really do something. You are being appreciated. And every inch of your work is being counted. This is rare of the rarest thing in any of the companies. You go internationally or domestically.
Right.
So you need to have big impacts to showcase. But over here, every inch of impact gives a value to it. And when I met all the leaders across the domains, across all the products, I felt really good. So I think it's one of the experiences that I will not be able to, get in my near future because immersion or induction ek hi baar hota hai. So I'll have to, resign after 2 years, then come back again and then again attend the immersion and inductions. It was a great experience and I would really thank two people. First is Grishmi Pandey, who is from the HR team. And second is Virendra. Thankful to Grishmi for, getting such a smooth onboarding and everything. And thank you to Virendra for having 2 wonderful sessions of immersion and induction.
अब बताइए आपका पर्सनल क्या टेक है ट्रैवल के बारे में, जनरली एक्सप्लोर करने के बारे में?
I can spend a whole day talking about this, but I'll try and sum up in 1 minute. So travel, अभी की जो generations आ रही है ना, it's very good that I am fortunate. I come from 90s. Nobody wants to read,
Right.
It's a fact. You get into the statistics, newspaper अब घरों में नहीं आते. You'll not find early in the morning when you'll have your coffee, you'll never find a boy or a girl or a man, वो साइकिल पे आना और अखबार फेंकना, वो नहीं होता. राइट,
जी।
बिकॉज नोबडी वांट्स टू रीड. अब सबके पास इन शॉर्ट्स है, वो न्यूज देख लेते हैं, न्यूज देखते भी नहीं है, वो टाइटल पढ़ लेते हैं.
जी
So
जी
everybody has a different level of initiativeness towards reading. अगर आप पढ़ नहीं रहे हो कुछ, तो at least the alternative of reading is traveling. At
जी.
least travel. This cannot be just said in words. You'll have to experience it.
जी
And go travel. And people are nowadays, realizing that, पहले लोग होता था कि लोग ना, हमारी मम्मियाँ आटे के डब्बे में, चावल के डब्बे में ना 500 के नोट, 1000 के नोट छुपा के रखती थी. वो खर्च नहीं करते थे. Now people are willing to spend. And they are willing to spend on travel very often.
जी.
उनको लगता है, अब middle class family भी ना, I remember my father never took me on a, what do you say, a picnic or a, हमारे लिए नानी का घर ही is the only thing.
Correct.
So, right, नानी का घर was the picnic, नानी का घर was the tourist place for us. ठीक
जी
है?
जी
Now
जी
it's not, it's changing, and it's not like the same before.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना. स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो. ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा. लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो.
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
The rapid fire round.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I think Pani Puri.
What is your dream job?
Make my trip.
Is that the wrong answer? Oh my god.
Oh my god, it was so intuitive. Okay, so my dream job is being a mechanic.
Okay. 5 things that are currently within your arm's reach. But remember, wrong answers only.
Yes, my car, my remote of my home AC,
Okay.
and my book, and my sports shoes,
Okay.
and my
Good.
t-shirt. My
Very
t-shirt.
good. Well done. What is your favorite skin routine?
Oh my god, I put a toner, salicylic acid, and then lock in with a moisturizer, then a sunscreen, then a tan-free lotion, and a little bit of serum on my hairs, quick body lotions.
Honestly, this can't be the wrong answer because even men do it these days, and it's a good thing men do it because everybody is very keen to keep their skin
I don't do it.
good.
I don't do
Oh
it,
my
so
god, I
I was
wish you
supposed to.
did. I wish you did, but good one. What does a laptop do?
It makes us drive.
And what do you think you see in a mirror?
My pet, my dog.
Oh, that's sweet. With that, we've come to the close of wrong answers only. You did pretty well again, Amit. I hope you had fun too.
Yes.
एक आखिरी बार आपको बधाई देना चाहूंगी for being a part of now the MMT family. Now that you're here with MMT, there is a lot you're looking forward to make bigger impacts that you've been dreaming to make here at MMT. So all the very best.
Thank you so much. And I would really, add one more name who had a great support on my onboarding process and, making my dream job really not just a dream and, a reality. Manish Sharma, the Vice President. So I would really thank him as well. Thank you so much, Annie.
Thank you so much, Amit. This was Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. My name is Annie. With that, it's a wrap. I will be seeing you after 2 days with MMT Kishan. Till then, all you've got to do is stay connected. It was Amit Chaurasi on the show with me today. Hotel Supply Department, Ahmedabad se hain ye. Up until next time, stay cheerful and keep traveling.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go. Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.